2026 NEET thang ka mo tam da ko koina
sangure
processor also. It's a
Hello everyone mayam ngasi di ko aina mayam da yeng handoi ai mama yeng han ki ba video sing da aduga di mananda ba top pa video makhal mo idini ko haidi sam na kana koina thak liba ising se sidigi horaga koina test tawbo se si boda di kwang tawri ko le ba do adi matang da oidine aduna ai aham da samak sak tak sege ai giming Raj Moirangthem a Final-Year MBBS student aduna ngasi video se am tina nungai doine aduna music hobdagi loyo hoba fazana yeng tabi koina third year MBBS kama tam da ko koina community medicine subject ama hoy adugi subject to gi manung chan na leiba program sing do koi gi matang yemi na sigo ma'am am da koi water treatment plan da han sa tin adi matang da kai no adi yemi nurse just normal day ni ko sina koi gi porompat ki leiba water treatment plan do loi du ni aina ngasi video thagali je hoji 2026 ni thagada experiencing je noi dong tani ko noi kitang dang oiraga su inspire tawradi khalaga thagat ne matang koina chatpa site je sina biomedical waste incinerator oidine ko seasonal needle amadi laina ka puhan ba waste sida koi gi treatment dar ngai damak thak tini sida seasonal biohazard incinerator je koi 1000 degree celsius ki matak da run tawe amadi machine koi gi disease kaya cause to be a pathogen destruction to be amna mating pangi panbia machine hospital healthcare workers amadi community se protect to be amna chawar role ama lawe yamna highly infectious oiba jaga oibnina koisu siti rims ta tamapagi ngasina yana bo oidune ba sangi se haidi lapna uraga su manung sangu patpa yengba yadabnina ko healthcare gi ona di yam kwaidigi maroiba side amani ina haijani duna mathang di kadai do ni hakana kogi primary health center Mekola se sina kogi third visiting center oidine ko sida koina kamaina work to ko do club yeng la ni mathang da koina chatu sina family visit FAP ko mafam se urine bam awang lekai oidine koi da assign to ba family sing do adugi koina moigi sanitation nutrition mad living condition adi moigi disease history
sangure idi leram da ba
kodi ma koina hangduine assess to dini ko
Kasem guliro
Then it's not thin enough.
not well if I'm
I think Tumbaga.
không để môi chỉ đó không có tiền
Not that that's
but the seed is tasty
seed. How do we?
yeah şimdi zadri
Okay.
Tegay no is it good or what estamos dentro
mafam sigi mi singse amna su fai amadi loina cooperative oi matang sidi koi sumaina hala matungda koi elective posting haina third year exam loiraga ama lei adu dai se pathology department da tai NEET experience noi ma'am si yenghaning bagi madam da fazana haijaraga namak pane aduna room khudimak natraga su room khara changaga yengase ida frozen section je khoji kamai tawai kanda koi patient ama ma operating table da leiraba amadi magi tissue je sigi room sida product ni ko amadi sigi tissue se cancer amadi do we remove more sigumba answer sing je minute kun gi manung da kona surgeon da answer pina ba hona doine amadi sida leiraba machine china koi tissue se khudakta -20 degree da instantly freeze to dine madi freeze tawraga do slice amadi stain and treat tawraga minute kun gi manung da answer se pina bhana dine
There's intraoperative, any diagnosis which they want to know, especially for the margins. No, they are suspecting malignancy and they want to know the margin because while the patient is still open, if they want to take more margin, no, in this machine, cut the section very fast and stain very fast, and we give the report like in 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. No, this is straight. If we know the status of this IAC for lungs, then. EGFR, they do EGFR mutation. If they detect this EGFR mutation for any lung carcinoma, then they can also give this specific treatment. So this is also free of cost. So this EGFR mutation testing, it can be done from blood also. This is where we do the reporting. What we do here at CBC is fully it's automated. I'll show you the machine. So this is the report. This is a report. This is the machine report. What we do is if there is flagging or if there's any abnormal finding, we will again confirm manually with the slides. I'll show you the automated machine. For histopathology, here we keep all the specimens and we gross the specimen. Cystic swelling from the back, skin cover or what? So if any specimen comes, we receive there in the doctor. So this is a requisition form. They will write this HP of exercise specimen from the bag. Then we cross-check the name of the patient, age of the patient in the container. So when you are intern, make sure to write this correctly, fill up this requisition correctly, and make sure to write any history, any related history, because it's very difficult for us to again hunt for the history, you know, from the PZ, from the clinician side. It's very difficult because history is very important for us. So we will carefully examine the specimen, take the measurement, take section, and process. Okay, I'll show you the histoprocessor also. It's another room. So we'll cut this into thin pieces and keep this in this cassette and do the processing.
Ngasiga igi video se nungairagadi mayam like tawbiba kaubigano amadi ihan hana I video se thengnabiba oiragadi subscribe tawbiramo sigumba nungai video kya pudran laksage ngasigi igi video sida adumna khwaidagi pamba khwaidagi ngakna thokpa moment mikup yaragadi adusu comment tawbiramo mem thagatsari mathangi video da amung thengnarase